Imagine waking up to a job termination notification, your role replaced by AI. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now, especially in IT. While tech jobs like AI specialists are rising, other industries like retail see vacancies shrink. It's not just about job loss, but adapting to a world reshaped by AI, where value shifts from traditional roles to those leveraging technology. India's $280 billion IT industry is a case study in AI disruption. Traditional roles like coding and software development are shrinking as AI tools automate repetitive tasks. Yet, the sector is evolving into a growth engine for specialized roles, enterprise AI deployment, customizing AI solutions for businesses, and data engineering, managing large data sets. These high-value jobs require deep expertise in AI models, cloud infrastructure, and analytics. The shift? From generalists to specialists, adapt or risk being left behind. Imagine a job market split in two. One side thrives with AI-driven tech roles like data engineers, while the other retail and manufacturing shrinks as automation replaces manual tasks. The UK sees this stark divide, where cashiers and assembly line workers face job cuts, but senior tech roles boom. Why? Automation targets repetitive jobs, leaving a gap for those with adaptable skills. India's $280 billion IT sector mirrors this. Traditional coding jobs shrink, but enterprise AI roles grow. A lesson? Adapt quickly or risk being left behind. A jobless future isn't about mass unemployment. It's about AI handling repetitive tasks so humans focus on creativity, problem solving, and human connection. Think of it like shifting from factory work to designing robots or teaching others. Instead of mindless assembly lines, people will craft solutions, mentor, or build relationships. It's not about losing jobs. It's about redefining them for human strengths, like AI-driven IT roles in India that create new opportunities. AI is like a super smart robot for repetitive work. Think of cashiers, data entry clerks, or even coders writing basic software. These jobs shrink as AI handles rule-based tasks faster and cheaper. But here's the twist. It doesn't just replace, it reshapes. Like India's $280 billion IT sector, where junior coding roles fade, but demand for senior tech roles like data engineers or AI specialists soars. It's a two-speed market. Some jobs vanish, others explode. The key? Pivoting to what AI can't do: creativity, problem-solving, teaching. Imagine moving from assembling cars to designing the robots that build them. In an AI-driven economy, the most valuable skills won't be about following rules or typing code. They'll be about thinking creatively, solving complex problems, and connecting with people, things AI can't do yet. Imagine shifting from assembling cars to designing robots that build them. The future isn't about losing jobs. It's about redefining them around human strengths like adaptability, emotional intelligence, and innovation. These are the skills that will survive and thrive in a world where work is reshaped by technology. Let's bust one common myth. AI won't steal all jobs, it'll redefine them. Take India's $280 billion IT sector. Junior coding roles are shrinking, but demand for data engineers and AI specialists is skyrocketing. It's a two-speed market, where some jobs vanish while others explode. The key? Pivot to what AI can't do: creativity, problem-solving, teaching. Think of it like shifting from assembling cars to designing the robots that build them. The future isn't about losing jobs. It's about redefining them around human strengths. India's youth unemployment crisis is a warning sign of what's coming globally. Millions of young graduates, Gen Z, are stuck in jobs that don't match their skills or not working at all. This isn't just about IT. It's a gap between education and economic reality. AI accelerates this shift by automating routine tasks, leaving those without adaptable skills behind. The solution? Pivoting to roles that require human creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence, skills AI can't replicate yet. In an AI-driven world, the most valuable skills won't be about following rules or typing code. They'll be about creativity, problem-solving, and human connection, things AI can't do yet. Imagine shifting from assembling cars to designing robots that build them. The future isn't about losing jobs. It's about redefining them around human strengths like adaptability, emotional intelligence, and innovation. These are the skills that will survive and thrive in a world where work is reshaped by technology. Education isn't just about degrees anymore. It's about staying ahead of AI. Think of it like upgrading your skills from a smartphone to an AI-powered device. In India, millions of Gen Z graduates are stuck in jobs that don't match their skills because education hasn't kept pace with tech changes. The solution? Lifelong learning. Pivot to roles that require creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence skills AI can't replace yet. Imagine shifting from assembling cars to designing the robots that built them. That's the future. Continuous learning or getting left behind. This shift could mean more freedom, more time for creativity and innovation, but also chaos if economies can't adapt. The 2020s showed AI reshaping jobs while democracy faced global tests. Will this decade bring progress or instability? It depends on how we redefine work around human strengths, like problem solving, not just technical skills. For example, India's $280 billion IT sector may see growth in enterprise AI, while the UK faces a two-speed job market favoring senior tech roles. The future isn't just coming, it's already here. AI is reshaping jobs faster than ever, but it's also creating new opportunities in tech, like deploying AI for businesses. The choice is yours. Adapt or risk falling behind. Start today by upskilling not just in coding but in creativity and problem solving. Share this with someone who needs to see it. Let's redefine work together.